lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to deep clean my bathroom in our tiny apartment here in Germany. You'll get to see my start to finish process, and hopefully you'll also get some cleaning motivation and get your bathroom looking and smelling amazing.
Make you smile, hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
If you're new here, hi, I'm Sheshi. I am a wife, a mom of 2 children, and here on my channel I share my day-to-day life of a stay-at-home mom in Germany. We do some cooking, cleaning, mom lifestyle videos, and I hope you'll subscribe and like if you're into such videos. Thank you. By the way, let me know how often you deep clean your bathroom. Am I the only one who never does it regularly?
Set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you.
I personally refrain from using chlorine because of the strong smell. So I just use scouring milk. Here in Germany we call it Scheuermilch, and some Ajax that leaves my house smelling like strawberries. The bathtub and the tiles normally take me the longest, so that's why I normally opt to start from here. I've come to the realization that I need to save up and invest in a drill brush. It will save my wrist in the future from scrubbing, because this body scrub thingy that I use is killing my wrist and shoulder. So here's the thing, please don't judge me, don't come for me. I normally use an old toothbrush to remove any hard water buildup in the cracks of the faucets, in the drainage, in places like these tiny places that you cannot reach really well. And it's cheap, convenient. It's an old toothbrush that I was about to throw, so why not use it and make my house clean. Please let me know if you also use your old toothbrushes for such chores in your house. Please comment down below and let me know that I'm not alone. Our old shower holder broke down, and my husband had to drill the wall again and build it anew. So that hole that you've seen me scrubbing, that is not dirt, it's soil or the clay that holds up the wall. We are not dirty like that. Did you know that you can unscrew the shower head to clean the hard water buildup? I didn't with mine, since it's a relatively new one. As I told you, our old one fell down and we had to bring up a new one. So if it was an old one, I would soak it in a bucket in some white vinegar and leave it there for about 15 to 20 minutes as I clean the rest of the bathroom. And then after that, just rinse it with water and voila, it will be good to go. Clean as new. Yo, I didn't even know this could come out. Yo, things you discover when cleaning. And how often do you change your towels? I'll be honest, it has been a while since I scrubbed this down part of the toilet, and you can tell when I unscrew this white thing, child, so much buildup. To have a drain in my bathroom floor will be a luxury. It's not normal or common in Germany to have a bathroom drainage unless you build your own house. Yeah, please correct me if I'm wrong. So there's no drain in our tiny bathroom, so I wipe the floor with a rag, floor cleaner, and a mop bucket. I get down on my knees, child. So that I can easily see any missed spots, and I don't know, I just got used to it when I was in Kenya. Yeah, if you're new here, you don't know I was born in Kenya, raised as well, then moved to Germany when I was 19ish. Yeah, in Kenya we used to do this. We never had like this fancy long brooms or anything like that for nice experience while cleaning. Okay, let me talk for myself. I'm talking about myself and my experience. Maybe you were born in Kenya and you had a better experience, but my experience, you had to go down on your knees if need be, bending and mopping the floor, wiping the floor. Looky, it is shining, it is spotless, it looks good, it smells good. I'm so happy. I feel so fulfilled. I'm now going in with my steamer that I bought from Aldi. Aldi's my go-to. And I just want to disinfect the whole sink. I'll now go in with my microfiber cloth and just go over the surfaces that I have, cleaned to give it the final finished look. This microfiber cloths just come in handy. I love them. And you know what? You don't have to keep throwing them after every use. You can let them dry and pop them in the microwave in the washing machine and reuse them. Like, I love them. I have this special one for cleaning my mirrors, my glasses, yani the windows. It is the best thing ever.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Go down, Maria.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. No one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you.
Can you comment how was the one we bought at Aldi that day?
Aldi or Action? I bought this rug in. Is it in Action or Aldi? I can't really remember. And I thought it would be really cute now that the bathroom is sparkling clean.
That is Aldi.
I think it looks perfect. I think it's perfect for the bathroom now. It fits perfectly well. So everything is back in place. This place is sparkling clean. Maybe you cannot see it because of the poor lighting. But I tell you, baby, look. Look, 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 looky, looky.
Look.
Looky, looky, sparkling clean. come.
We have come to an end of this video. I hope you really liked it and enjoyed it as I did while making it, editing it. And yeah, be sure to be part of the family if you like such videos. And until next time, go ahead and